Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing the Dell WM514 Wireless Mouse. Let's find out if it's the right choice for you or not. Here we go! Inside the box, you get the mouse, a USB nano receiver, two AA batteries, and some basic instruction, simple and straightforward. The WM514 has a sleek, modern design with this soft touch finish. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and looks great on any desk. The scroll wheel and buttons are smooth and built for durability. It connects using a nano USB receiver with a reliable 2.4 GHz wireless range at up to 10 meters. Also, the 1000 dpi laser sensor ensures accurate and smooth tracking for work and light gaming. It's designed for comfort. It's perfect for both left and right-handed users. With a battery life of up to 12 months on a 2 AA batteries, you don't need to worry about the frequent replacement. The WM514 is compatible with the laptop, desktops, and some tablets, making it versatile for any setup. It's great for professionals, students, or anyone looking for a functional and portable mouse. What do you think of the Dell WN514? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.